respected chairperson for this session, Dr. Kshema Josh ma'am from FLU University, and the delegates from the different parts of the world, and the technical team. So I am Dr. Ravikumar Kola, working as a teacher of English at Jilla Parishad High School, Shaipet, Dharmasagar Mandal, Warangal Urban District in Telangana State. So today my presentation is about improving the efficacy of online learning by scaffolding and curation of digital resources using Wakelet. Next slide, please.
Sir, you have an option to move in your slide below it, sir.
Okay. Right. Thank you. Yeah. So everyone knows pretty well regarding the teacher. So teacher has a multiple roles, and teacher has a varied responsibilities in the present scenario. And you can see a teacher as an awakener. So he can elicit the change and also spur creativity among the students. So the creativity that is being imparted by the teacher has a long-lasting impressions on the students. And you know pretty well regarding the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic situation that has been posed a challenge, not only the teachers in India but also in the worldwide. So there has been a paradigm shift because of the unprecedented situation that has been created by the COVID-19 pandemic. There is a paradigm shift in the teaching learning process, that is from the traditional face-to-face mode to the remote or the virtual method. Every teacher tried their different means by attending webinars conducted by different professional organizations or from their government side. They started creating their own virtual learning environment. For this, they have used different resources. Many of previous presenters have also shown the different ICT tools or the different resources that they have been used. And here, particularly coming to my perspective, and also particularly my school. So this is my school is located about 25 kilometers from the district headquarters of the Warangal Urban District, and the students are majority of the students are the first generation learners. And due to the digital revolution that has brought by the Indian government in the 2015, many of them has got an access to the mobile phone. So we started working with the students that the devices that are available to them, that is the mobile phones. So we encouraged them, being a teacher of English, I encouraged them to develop different language skills like LSRW for this. I tried out different apps like speech notes, where the speech notes is a different one. Like if the student can talk, it automatically gets converted into a text. So there is no need of downloading of any app, just it works on a browser based one. Coming to the modified version, where we are seeing a different text, because if the text is higher than their level, the students levels, coming to the particular scenario of our rural children, the text may be beyond their levels. So by using this rewordify tool, they can this particularly rewordify tool makes them available to their level, like where we are speaking about uh, uh, next, coming to the Google Assistant. So this is also an inbuilt tool in every Android device. They can go on speaking. Our children enjoyed a lot by speaking to Google Assistant, like asking different questions. Crack me a joke. Google, please crack me a joke. It tells a joke. So this has created a lot of interest among the young learners. And coming to the Grammarly app. So this Grammarly app is where the basics, it automatically corrects. It auto corrects. It is a tool where it auto corrects whenever the students are sending assignments in the WhatsApp or in our Google Classroom, like that. Coming to this other tool, that is Vocaro, this is also a browser based one. They can send nearly 15 minutes of their presentation voice recording without by recording, and they can send it as a link. So there is no need of a problem coming to device storage problem, because earlier we encouraged our students to come up to give responses in the form of voice recording in the WhatsApp. But that has become a huge problem for us, because all our storage has been utilized by the voice recording of the WhatsApp. But to overcome that, we try to use the Vocaro, where Vocaro is a browser based one, and they can record it to nearly 15 minutes of duration, and this will be stored as a link, and it can be shared in multiple platforms, and they can simply send it as a text message also. Coming to this open educational resource Storyweaver, nearly it supports more than 200 languages, and also nearly some thousands of books are available. And particularly we wanted to improve the accent of our students. So we made them to download this English speaking practice app. Nearly 500 conversations are there in this app, and the students tried their best to speak in the, like a native speakers. So this is how we started our journey for our virtual learning environment. Later, you can see the year 2020, it's a progress, we can say, because I have redefined myself. I never thought in my dream that I'm going to engage a class in the virtual mode, but this pandemic has both positive and negative effects. But everyone, whenever talking about positive thing, everyone, positive means everyone has got a phobia. But coming over here in the teaching learning process, positive means it has made to redefine every teacher, because they learned new types of tools, new type of techniques, and how to engage the students. This is I can see 2020 is a progress in the form of teaching, learning, and assessment also. And coming over here, see, we have created WhatsApp group and started after beginning of the class and of the ending of the class. We try to share the YouTube links, the PDF files, or also the images, and also the text messages, and also the Google Forms for assessment. So every time, because all the teachers, both the language teachers are there in this group and the non-language teachers are there in this group. So sending of all the links has created a somewhat a distraction towards to our students. So how to overcome this? Because after a successful going a journey of our online teaching nearly for 3 or 4 months, so there were several distractions from the side of the students. So we I searched for other means. So how to improve the efficacy of this online learning? So is there any source where we can use the resources, where we can have a scaffolding of the digital resources, and also the curation of the particular resources? Here comes the Wakelet. So Wakelet is a wonderful and creative one. It is having a control of the content, and it is creating the interest and also inspiring the students. Here we can save our content, we can organize it in a form of folders, or simply we can call it as a wakes. So this is the wake. This is my wake, which has been created by me for the first unit of the 10th class. So if any possibility, I request the technical team to share this so that others can know after my presentation. If any possibility, so the technical team may copy this link and show how the wakelet will work. Okay, so here instead of sending individual files, individual YouTube link, individual PDF file, individual Google Forms, or individual images, this Wakelet by curating of all the resources, simply creating wakes, and we started sending to the students. Yeah, so this has been a tremendous impact both on the teachers and also the students. So later we started creating our own newsletters for our school. So it is also documenting, and I particularly my journey during this COVID-19 pandemic. What are the webinars I have attended, and what are the webinars I have been given to the teachers of the Telangana state? All these are there in a single wakelet. So here we can collect the resources, we can go on for interactive lessons, and also lesson planning, which is a very vital one for the teachers. So we can also go for lesson planning, and we can go for the action research work within the class. So these are the possibilities, these are the uses of Wakelet for the teachers. Coming to the student side, students enjoy a lot, because getting to these type of traditional and all things, they wanted to come up with more and more innovative and creative works. So this Wakelet served them, and they have started submitting their own assignments, and they have started to use a group research work, and also they collaborate. And this Wakelet is also wonderful tool for collaboration. So we are talking about the 21st century skills, where collaboration is also one of them, and this Wakelet helps for collaborating of the resources. The students can collaborate. The collaboration will be between the teacher and the student, and also between the student and the student. They can do the projects works, and also it will be useful for the classroom discussion, and the students can prepare their own digital portfolios, and they can come up with their own assignments. Yeah. So is there any complicated process? Because many of the tools where we tried, there are some limitations and some mastery has been needed. So teachers need some technical expertise in operating some of the tools. But coming over this Wakelet, it is just a 3 steps process. How to get started with the Wakelet? Simply just go to wakelet.com. You just sign up using your mail with your Gmail account or with your email account, and just create your own account and start curating or collecting of all the digital resources that are available for the particular topic, and you can simply share it to your students. And the learning outcomes of this Wakelet is that the students, we have a easy way we have shared it to them, and it has grabbed the attention of the students in the online classes. And really it is a visual and engaging tool both for the teachers and also for the students, and it has created a both more vibrant learning environment. And coming to the streamlining of curriculum delivery, so I have Harish, thank you, you have shared the link of the Wakelet. So here, particularly when we are talking about sharing of the curriculum, there may be limitations in the online class, because whatever the things which you are doing in the offline classes may not be possible in the online classes. But here, by using this Wakelet, we can share n number of resources to the students, and the Wakelet can be edited. It is a free source, it is a free tool, where particularly when I have created my Wakelet, other teachers can add more resources to that and they can share to the students. So here I have shared nearly 7 of the resources for the Wakelet which I have created. Other teachers can add 10 and it becomes 17, they can share to their students. So that is the beauty of this Wakelet, and it will be empowering the digital citizenship among our students, and it is the fastest and easiest way to collaborate on group projects. And at last, it is a fun and improving the engagement of the students in the online classes. Thank you, ma'am, Kshama Josh, ma'am, because you are there for our ELTA Warangal urban classes, and our students learned a lot from you. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you very much. It's so good to hear that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Ravi Kumar, for that wonderful presentation. You've given us a lot of tools.